I had to take a seat for this one today. I had a little conversation with a new client this morning, and she was basically shopping around for new trainers. What had happened in the long run, what had happened was she had a trainer that she really liked that worked with her and was highly recommended to come down here from several people, which I really appreciate. She was telling me about what happened and stuff and how they had kind of pushed towards going to another trainer at the facility. And she was doing more of personal training to work on an injured shoulder, something that was taking a lot of, you definitely have to focus and take a lot of attention on that instead of being thrown into a large group. So anyway, she's told me she had went down there and, told that didn't really like the new trainer, and when told the trainer about what her limitations were and how she couldn't do some of this stuff, the reply was, "My job is to make you fail." And that's the one thing that just absolutely fucking pisses me off. First of all, she's there to get better at what she's trying to do in her day-to-day life, not trying to make it through Hell Week in whatever, to see if she can fail in some, who knows what the fuck. But anyway, to make you fail. My job is to make you fail. Well, what the fuck happened to my goal is to help you succeed in what you want to do? What do you want to do? Here's the whole thing. I think we have this problem of everybody trying to go to these large boot camp type classes and stuff when they have these injuries. A lot of people have injuries. A lot of people have repetitive strain injuries that either they know or they don't realize. And we're just here with these, coaches that are getting these quick certifications that don't really give a shit whether or not the person actually gets better or not. It's like, I saw a lot of this when I was working at the bigger gyms, where you'd have a young trainer coming in, and his whole goal was to make some, mom or grandma almost throw up from a workout. That's not her fucking goal. So, what the hell? So anyway, they're having you do what they do, like, oh, I killed my legs, this is what you have to do, and this is the best thing, it's gonna, kill your legs. Well, if her goal is not to kill her legs, if her goal is to walk up the stairs better, now how in the world is killing the legs gonna have to do with that? So anyway, like I said, I had to sit down. This has been something I wanted to talk about for a long time, is if you don't feel comfortable in the place that you're training, if someone's trying to, push you, even if you think it's beyond your realm or beyond your talent or whatever, get out of there. Find somebody else. There are places that people do give a shit about whether or not that you are getting better. Not whether they can make you fall on the ground, whether they can make you throw up your chicken sandwich from lunch or pass out in the side yard. Who gives a fuck about that? Find somebody that's good. Find someone, talk to your friends, see who you recommend on somebody that's going to help you in your day-to-day life. Something that's going to help you while you go to the gym. It's going to help you to your real goal. Okay? So maybe your goal is to throw up every day at your workout. Well, find a place that's going to do that. But if your goal is more like to stabilize your shoulder and make sure that you don't, tear your infraspinatus again from doing too many whatevers, find a place that people actually care about you. Talk to you later.